Welcome, today in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to change icons shape with X icon changer on that device. So first, let's just launch the Play Store application, because we should get the application from the Play Store. That's why here in the search pool enter the X icon changer app. And now we should get this first application. That's why just tap here to install and just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we just should click here on this button to open this application. And just here we can see all of the available applications on our smartphone, and we can select one from these applications. For example, let's use the phone app. We can rename this application just by click here on this edit icon. I don't want to do that. You can also select the new application or new icon to this app from these folders with different icons, or also you can use photo from your device gallery, or you can use the camera application right now to take a picture. For example, I'll use only the just default folders icons. For example, I'll use this one. After that, just let's tap here to OK on the right upper corner. After the adding, now we should skip the ads here. And after that, we can add automatically this icon to our desktop, to the home screen. We can go automatically to the desktop, or also we can change the next icon by the same way. So let's just see the new phone application icon here. Oh, sorry. So this is the old one and this is the new icon here, and we can see the difference. So that's it. That's how to change icon shape on our UleFone Note 13P. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.